Well, hot damn. I was about to enter the little car show that's in Pacific Grove. But look what I spotted, an Iso Grifo. Yes. Kind of a special car. This was, 60s, 70s by the, from Iso's Automotive Spa. I never know if I pronounced that right, but Iso Special. They first started Isothermos, all right, making refrigeration units, and then clever guy Renzo Rivolta came up with the Isetta, or Isetta. Technically it's Isetta, but you know, I'm from South Texas, so we say things a little funny around there. And he licensed that to like 7 different countries and 7 different automotive manufacturers. Made a ton of money, and so he then made the Renzo Rivolta, which was a grand touring vehicle, and then came the Iso Grifo, which is powered by a small block Chevy V8, and they're just really beautiful cars. They're also one of the featured marks for Pebble Beach this Sunday, so I might just see this car there on Sunday.